I'm taking Enrico back. This is Pearson International Airport. Enrico's going back to Italy and I will join him later. I wanted to stay longer, so when I bought tickets, I bought them way, way before. And I didn't realize how sad I would be today because I'm not used to being away from Enrico. Yeah. So it's really hard. Hey, so I'm here at Pacific Mall, in case I didn't pronounce it very well. But it's an Asian mall. They have like a lot of Korean beauty brands like Misha and Tony Moly and Freyja, things like that. And so I'm kind of sad because Enrico's not here. He went yesterday and I am now trying to make myself feel better with some retail therapy and bubble tea. But yeah, so north of Toronto in Markham is Pacific Mall, where it's a really huge Asian mall. There are a lot of Asian malls in and around Toronto and Canada. So this is what it looks like inside. There are a ton of bubble tea places. They have like prettier places too, but it's more or less something like this. Miss Enrico. So down that way is the food court, and also down there's a lot of restaurants too. I found Misha. So this is the food court. The chairs don't move, and I got some noodle soup. They made the noodles in front, like they make the noodles in front of you. Yeah, that place over there. I bought a ton of stuff from Misha, Tony Moly, and a Palti hair dye, and some Etude House stuff, and other things from